Over the last 30 years, I have allowed my southern magnolia free rein, letting the branches grow to the ground so I don't have to bother raking out the leaves that drop. I see that perhaps as many as 6 of those branches have taken root, and in effect, I now have a wall of magnolias growing there. Is this a bad thing? What do you expert silviculturists recommend? And this is Carl from Knoxville, Tennessee. So thank you for that, Carl. Yeah. First thing first, let's define silviculturist.
Yes.
Can we do that?
Yeah, that's someone who knows a lot about trees.
Yeah.
Well,
cultivates trees.
I'm more of a horticulturist than a silviculturist. But I can tell you right now that I agree with him for leaving the branches down.
I get it.
So, I do that too, so that you don't have to pick up the leaves underneath it. Right. The problem is, some of those branches got way far down, got covered up by layers of leaves, and then rooted. So he's got all these little trees coming up underneath this tree.
Yeah, all of that nice organic.
Oh man, he made a perfect.
Material. Yeah.
You know, I can see not picking up the leaves in a season, but maybe in the winter or the spring, just before the weather starts changing to be really nice, maybe you just gather up all those leaves at once, so that you don't have that air layering problem
right. That's
going
what it is.
on.
Air layering, right?
Yeah, he could dig them up and give them away if he wants to.
Right.
But that, or have somebody come and dig them up for him and say, hey, you want some free magnolia trees? Come dig these up.
Right.
So yeah, that's what's happening.
That's what's happening, right? And again, so he can leave them.
He can leave them if he wants to. He'll have a forest of magnolias.
He already has a wall of them, so you can definitely keep them there. But all of those leaves are breaking down nice organic material, right?
He's leaving the leaves, so that's really
the leaves.
that's really
leaving
good.
The leaves,
and making a very nice habitat for growing things.
Yeah. So it's not a bad thing, Mr. Carl. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it. To subscribe, click below.